Hey folks, we're here. We're going to make Rice Krispie treats with a little twist to them. I've got 3 tablespoons of butter that we're going to melt. I've got a 13 by 9 pan that I'm going to put it in. I sprayed it just a little bit with cooking spray. My butter's melted. I want to add 10 ounces of the Big Puff marshmallows, or 40. They said on the box that you can melt it in the microwave, but I've never done that, so. I've got my eye on medium to melt it. It's pretty much melted. We're going to add the peanut butter. That's 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. And stir that in real good. And we'll turn it off. Take it off the eye, and we're going to put 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. Keep saying treats. Rice Krispie cereal. Stir that in. I think we got it all mixed. Take my pan. I'm gonna flatten it out. You just push it down in your pan, get it all even. Take a thing of wax paper and press it if you want to. And we're going to let them cool. I guess let them cool for about an hour, 30 minutes. And we're going to cut them into squares. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.